My name is Miss Blackard. That is Blackard. My favorite dish to cook, I think, would be my family pound cake recipe. I get to do something every single day that's different. This is hands-on. It's something that kids can see tangible outcomes with products like cooking and different things. And I like seeing those aha moments of getting to see like the recipe come together. Teaching this class has affected me because I've actually come across more recipes and been able to try them at home and have made it my own a little bit, but it's something that helps me. It also teaches me new techniques and keeps me up to date. I use nutrition classes as well as advanced foods and life skills and different things benefit students solely because the title, life skills, it teaches you different things that you need to know about surviving outside of your parents' house or guardian's house to ensure that you know how to take care of yourself and that you're going to be a productive member of society.